Hi, this is another meditation in silence and just a chance to notice how one responds to shock. This is something I studied because it was relevant and necessary. So as you rest and get comfortable, know that your brain may adopt these principles as mine did, as I made this for a meditation for me, and it worked. And that everything is safe right now. You're feeling your breathing, your comfort. And allow your nervous system to be here and settle, because this is what it's all about. Finding these places where we can just rest, where we're allowed to be exactly as we are. So be exactly as you are. And allow these words to wash over you. When we're in shock, our nervous system says protect first. So what we want to do is by a 3 to 10-second response. This means our values. We want 3 to 10 seconds to find our values. And that will help us catch up to the reaction, which is a reflex. When you react, it's sudden and quick and big and possibly based on emotion. So buying 3 to 10 seconds for your responses or values to catch up will help connecting before correcting. Connection over correction. This helps people feel like you're on their side. As you rest, I'm going to explain the protocol. You want to soften the body first. Practicing this now. Picking one or more. In this moment, I'll go slow so you can practice softening what you want to soften during shock. Unclench your jaw. Maybe you imagine there's about the space of a cracker between your teeth. Allow your tongue to take up space in the mouth. Allow there to be space between your teeth and your gums and the lips, the inner lips. And space between your teeth and at the roof of the mouth that's shaped like a dome. Space in your mouth, relaxing the jaw. Making sure your tongue isn't stuck on the roof of your mouth is a good way to practice initially. Dropping the shoulders an inch. Can you allow your shoulders to relax just a little bit? Only as far as they'll go, comfortably. And exhaling slightly longer than the inhale. Let's practice that now as we inhale for 4 and exhale for 6, either through the mouth or blowing, or any way you choose for exhalation. When you're ready, we'll inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for a moment, and then exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pause. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Pause. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue to breathe in that way, or allow your natural breath to come and go. And knowing the 3 options, the first part of this protocol is just picking one or noticing any or more than one if you can. Is your jaw relaxed? Go back to your jaw. Notice if it's as relaxed or something moved or changed. Relaxing your shoulders. Can they be more relaxed? And exhaling longer than your inhale. Is your exhale longer than your inhalation now? These things tell your system that there is no danger, that there's choice. After that, we want a bridge phrase. A bridge phrase buys time, and it signals that we're on someone's side. A bridge phrase can sound anything like, okay, I'm here with you. And remember, this can be for you too, if you are in shock and it's just about you. If it's something someone else did, you're going to want to know what to say in both cases, and it's the same. The first thing is, okay, I'm here with you. Thank you for telling me. Thank you for telling me. I'm on your side. Let me take a breath. I'm on your side. Let me take a breath. I want to understand. Keep going. I want to understand. Keep going. I'm not mad. I'm taking this in. I'm not mad. I'm taking this in. All of these for yourself or someone else in a moment of shock. Bridge phrases help you from blurting out, either in your head or out loud, fear or judgment. We want to reflect the emotion, not the facts. And ourselves and other people feel supported when they feel felt. So when we reflect the emotion, not the facts, we could say something like, that sounds really scary, or something really scary just happened to me. That's a lot to carry. That's a lot to carry. I can see how overwhelmed you feel or felt. I can see how overwhelmed you feel. You didn't want to be alone with that, or you don't want to be alone with that. We're not approving of anything here, but we're acknowledging that the experience is real. We feel supported, and people feel supported when they feel felt. So the 3-part response to pull this together, using in this order, works every time with every person, everyone, including yourself. Number 1 is the ally statement, which sounds like, I'm with you. Number 2 is the curious question. What happened right before? What happened right before? Number 3 is the next step together. Let's figure out what you need right now. Let's figure out what you need right now. So the 3-part response can sound something like, I'm really glad you told me. What was happening right before you felt that way? Okay, let's do the next step together. One more time. I'm really glad you told me. What was happening right before you felt that way? Okay, let's do the next step together. And just noticing how that feels in your body. Because often what we do to ourselves and to others is we accidentally invalidate. And invalidation sounds like, why would you do that? Why would you do that? It sounds like you scared me. It sounds like you have so much to be grateful for. And it also sounds like it's not that bad. So swap these for help me understand what led up to it. I'm feeling a lot and I want to respond well. This matters. I'm here. So instead of saying, why would you do this? Or you scared me, or it's not that bad, say, help me understand what led up to it. I'm feeling a lot, and I want to respond well. This matters. I'm here. If you need to set a limit, do it with warmth. I love you. I'm going to keep you safe. I'm not okay with that choice, and I'm still on your side. We'll handle this, but first safety and then solutions. So this is a boundary that still feels supportive with yourself or others. Setting it with warmth. I love you. I'm going to keep you safe. I'm not okay with that choice, and I'm still on your side. We'll handle this. First safety, then solutions. Feel how this feels in your being. How comforting that would feel to hear that from yourself or to say to someone else. And then we need powerful questions for shock moments. Like, do you need comfort, help, or protection right now? Knowing what we need helps. When we're in shock, do we need comfort, help, or protection? And when someone else is in shock, it's the same thing. Comfort is empathy and closeness. Help is problem solving. Protection is safety steps and action. Comfort, help, or protection. If it's someone else or even yourself, people feel like you're on their side because you match their need. You help them figure out, what do they need? Comfort, protection, or help. And lastly, the mini phrase to remember, to rehearse is, I'm on your side. I'm taking a breath. Whether it's yourself or someone else, first steps, if you remember nothing else. Although I hope you'll go back if this was useful. I'm on your side. I'm taking a breath. And then you take a breath. Or, thank you for telling me I'm here. When your mind is repeating something good to do. Thank you for telling me I'm here. And when it's other people, you want them to feel safe. And our body will learn through this as a default. So this is also a somatic lesson given through the brain, through learning, by meditating. I hope you enjoyed this meditation, and I hope to see you again for another. Have a great day.